The minute was only 4 seconds. We're back. Trading live and filming it for our channel. Way up there in the numbers now. We got 467, all sitting in draft mode and in date sequence for episodes for people to binge watch. I think binge watching my channel will show you what not to do, show you some things to do, but it will at least get you into a flow. If you watch all of them, and you might even paper trade some of the ideas along with it. I can't give you advice. This is entertainment, but we are showing you what we do. We're applying these 8 free guides from our website, AITradingFutures.com. We are applying what we have put into these guides, and it's ever evolving. You won't get one of my guides and it be how I traded a year ago. It may be a week old, but I'm updating them all the time. It's easy. I tell AI, this is what I felt mentally today. This is what worked and didn't work. And AI looks at the market and says, well, the VIX and the put call ratios was this. Maybe we should have tightened up to that. It's always machine learning, doing it in a way that humans just can't do it. Highly advise that you have an AI assistant. Oh, me. Sorry, everybody. No, I forgot to hit the camera. Forgot to hit the camera. I don't know how many videos was not showing me, but here comes the camera now. Got that 30-minute timeout because I went to the HDMI into my media card, and I have not fixed that yet. I'm going to go back to USB and just pay Canon so I have, the camera can stay on indefinitely. All I have to do is remember to reach right there and hit the snap button like I'm taking a picture, and it resets it every. If I do it every video, it'd be fine. But I haven't been doing that. Anyway, there's the free ones. I can't give you advice here. I'm not, licensed to do that. I can tell you how I do it. I certainly can educate you with my website, AITradingFutures.com. Got Tim in the house to show the face. It's been a video or two. There's Tim over there. We both are kind of having a little tough day, to be honest with you guys. This is just one of those days. Yesterday, we couldn't touch anything that went wrong. And today, the impulses have been kind of fake. Did have a $20,000 trade back there this morning. So go back there and look, but I had an $18,000 loser. So we did reverse that. Then I had another loser, $6,000 or $7,000. So I got about, after those 2 trades, I still got about $4,500 here to recover to get back zero. But we had a hell of a DG6 day yesterday. That's over 20,000, be 20 and 25. And today I'm recalculate it. Nothing's working. Yeah, I was down as much as 18,106 today, which would have erased yesterday. Oh, wait, but that's not true because that doesn't account from where I started from. I mean what we made. That doesn't account what I would have made intraday today. And I was up to DG, was up to 2250. So 18,106 minus 2200. So about 16 grand we were down. Got that down under 6,000 now, 4,000 some change. 4,000 some change, chat. It's okay. I will take it. The markets have been good, meaning that even though I went down, I'm still sitting here and the setups have been working and we've been making some. I took a little $750 haircut there in the middle on purpose. The main thing that's happening to me today, and I mentioned this in the last video, is like I'm late on everything. I get in and I see a nice green. I saw a 1650 turn to a 750 loser. I saw a 1920 turn into only a 325 loser after I had to take some drawdown and some pressure. And so it's been kind of weird on my reaction times to the trades. I feel a little disconnected, I guess you could say. All right, I'm doing my log work. Always keep yourself a log and make notes of what your emotions was. I find that beneficial. Just remember, Tiger Woods has his caddy making notes about everything. They analyze it all. Football players watch the reels of themselves and their competitors. Race car drivers have coaches that watch their feet, their hands, their eye motions, and their out car video. They have data acquisition, have everything like that. And so, don't be afraid to critique yourself. I think it's very, very important. As a professional driving coach, and when I say professional, I mean manufacturers pay me and have paid me to teach their factory drivers, not some club guy who's been racing a long time. There is a big difference. All right. Got my log done on that little trade. We're just listening for a setup. See, we've been spoiled on these impulse candles has been, you could be looking at something else, having a drink of coffee, and have plenty enough room to hear it and hesitate and get in. It's not been like that today. Today, you got to be watching your other triggers at the same time. Like this break of this 10, if it does it to the 20, it's given it to us many times. But if you don't get your entry to the 20 and it pulls right back up, which is likely what it could do, then you lose that money. So the video game aspect today, this might be one of those days as we refine the system, we'll have some sort of AI trigger, and the AI will say, hey, this is too tight for you human. If you want to switch the button, I'll trade it for you, or you just need to go play golf. And that might be what we kind of have to have in there for sure. Seems like that. I'm learning a lot today about myself. Learning a lot about myself. Yeah, I got that down. So that's actually down. Down more than I thought it was. That's good. And then 2,200 off. All right. That one in. Things in. Okay there. Tim is studying it over there. We're both kind of trying to sit on hands here because we are at the lunch. We're at the lunch break, chat. Linear regression did come up. I was having a little trouble with that. Let's just do a quick study here. You can absolutely tell you're at 1125. And you just look at your volume. If you pop a line on your volume here, I'll show you. Here's our max volume, and then do another line right here and show our max bin volume, and there's your range. And so you can see that about right in here, when on these two rotations, look how significantly less they was. So on your bull rotation at 9:53, and then a bear rotation at 9:59, 3 minutes separated apart, but that's two rotations. Just like this is a rotation and this is a rotation, right? These rotations are getting tighter. That's indicative of lunch. Even over here, significantly less volume. So that's how we could tell that the algorithms have slowed down, the button pushers have slowed down, and collectively all the retail traders have gone to lunch.
Well, we got the London close coming up here in 4 minutes.
Yeah, we're going to trade that London close for sure. I'm on the 30 seconds, you guys. I think I'm going to switch that to a minute. And I'm not, because, see, we hadn't been getting that many candles like that. I mean, we're really having to tighten up. Maybe that's what it needs to be. I'll turn that feature back on with AI. We got Grok, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini in the house. Maybe I'll turn on one of the features that I have turned off, and that would be for them to tell me what time frame I should be trading if I'm only going to trade EMAs. Right now, I know how to kind of go up and down to look at it. It looks like a 10 to 20 breaks would pay you, but they've not been that consistent. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Just so choppy, man. Just bad choppy. I'm going to go 45, 2 minute, and then wait for something. Just top tail, bottom tail, just calling it, but they're not trading it like I'm calling it.
Look at that's just junk.
Yeah, we'll be right back in the next one, everybody. This is sitting on hands here. Got that one little trade back there. It'll be in the descriptions. Be right back.